Have you ever encountered an error while coding that just leaves you scratching your head? It's frustrating, right? If you've run into the syntax error, unexpected token C in JSON at position 0 while making a GET request in Ionic 2, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally get how annoying it is when you're trying to retrieve data and instead you get hit with an error message. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when working with HTTP requests. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user reached out saying they are trying to perform a GET request to retrieve data but are met with the error. Syntax error, unexpected token C in JSON at position 0. They suspect the issue is related to their request. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this error mean? Typically, this error indicates that the response from the server is not valid JSON. It could be due to a variety of reasons, such as the server returning an HTML error page instead of JSON data. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To address the error, the user should first check the response from the server. The error message indicates that the response is not valid JSON. This often happens when the server returns an unexpected response. Next, the user should verify the server-side code. The user mentioned using PHP to send data. It's important to ensure that the PHP script is correctly outputting JSON and not any additional content. The user should also ensure that the correct headers are set in the PHP script. This is crucial for the client to interpret the response as JSON. Finally, the user can test the GET request again after making these adjustments. They should check the console for any new errors or the expected JSON output. Fun fact, did you know that JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation? It's a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user highlights the importance of correct JSON formatting. They point out that the error can occur if the JSON string is not properly structured. For example, they show that using JSON.parse with an incorrect format, like missing quotes around keys, will lead to an error. Instead, they suggest using properly formatted JSON, where keys are enclosed in double quotes. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your server responses before trying to parse them as JSON. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the syntax error, unexpected token C in JSON at position 0 error. Remember, validating your responses is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. And don't miss our next video where we tackle common coding errors.